siya. Egg. Ay! Mali. Ang magkakawang. GG. Ito yung pinaka-bonding namin.
Takes a whole damn hour to afford 2 gallons, and I'm not doing enough. Another day, another challenge. I woke up one day and the world was cold. Feel like I'm way too young to feel this old. I got a hole in my heart that keeps getting bigger, so I'll try to fill it up by rooting in my liver. I'm a poster child, millennial. Feel like I'm way too young to feel this old. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. Invited to this pity party in my head, and I'll cry if I want to, and I want to, but nobody's listening, so I'll just hide away instead.
Ayan, breakfast ko. Itong tinapay, may sesame seeds sa ilalim. Bagong bili lang namin itong bread na to. Kasi magbe-burger ako today. Gagawa ko ng homemade burger. So, bumili kami burger bun. So, this is actually a burger bun. Knocking out into half. So, tag-half kami ni Mike. Fairness ha, sarap ng may sesame seeds. Naging flat na lang siya kasi nilagay ni Mike sa sandwich presser. Pero, talaga to flat. Malamig. Alexa, temperature.
Right now, it's 12 degrees Celsius. Today, expect a high of 16 degrees.
12. So, kailangan ko mag-jacket. Bread. Coffee. Share lang kami. So, ito yung pre-workout breakfast namin. Pag uwi namin mamaya, magpa-proper breakfast pa kami. Ubusin ko lang to. Tapos, larga na. Freaking cold! Lapit! Oh my God! It's so cold!
It takes a whole damn hour to afford 2 gallons, and I'm not doing enough. Another day, another challenge. I woke up.
Alam niyo ba, kaninang umaga, pagkagising namin, tinanong ko si Mike, sabi ko, do you think na yung running, it made us closer? Tapos sabi niya, definitely. Kasi parang simula nung na-discover namin yung running last year, na-discover namin na parehas namin siyang na-enjoy. Running outside ha. Kasi si Mike matagal na siya tumatakbo eh. Pero sa treadmill lang. Na-discover namin na tumakbo sa labas. Na-realize namin na parehas pala namin siya na-enjoy. Tapos nagkaroon kami ng extra bonding moment. So dati, ang pinaka-bonding namin is manood ng movie. Ngayon, sobrang na-enjoy namin tumakbo together. Looking forward kami sa running schedule namin. Kasi nga, ito yung pinaka-bonding namin. We are running not because gusto namin pumayat or physical benefit, yeah. So mainly, tumatakbo kami for our mental health. Kasi whenever we run, we feel like nadidistress kami. Pagka meron kami anxieties, ganyan. Pag tumatakbo kami, we feel better after. Kaya sobrang na-enjoy namin tumatakbo. Yun nga lang, hindi kami sobrang sabay kasi ang layo niya. Ang layo ko na. Andun pa siya. Ewan ko kung nakikita niyo siya. Yun nga, yung downside lang kapag tumatakbo kami. Parati ako nauuna sa kanya. So parati akong may waiting time after. Hindi kami literal na magkasabay. Pero okay lang. At least, we're doing it together, diba?
Like I'm way too young to feel this soul. I got a hole in my heart that keeps getting bigger, so I'll try to fill it up. I root when in my liver, keep on trying to do things that require soul. Feel like I'm way too young to feel this old. Oh, 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 oh.
We're halfway na. Feeling good. Gutom na actually. just waiting for Mike.
Don't
Tingnan
get
natin kung
it,
ilang
and
minutes
they
yung
don't
mag-aantay.
give me enough credit. My friends, I'm broken. I've tried and I can't stop smoking. My fears are growing, and my learning curve is
Ayan
slowing.
siya. 20 meters na lang daw. Tapos na.
12K. First time namin nag 12K pero medyo hirap ako. Wala ako sa condition.
It takes a whole damn hour to afford 2 gallons, and I'm not doing enough. Another day, another challenge. I woke up one day
We're almost home. Breakfast na muna kami.
to fill this soul. I got a hole in my heart that keeps getting bigger, so I'll try to fill it up.
Nakakaya. Uy!
Fill this soul. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah. Oh.
Babe, QR, bagay yung glasses mo. Nagkukulay yung glasses mo sa shorts.
Kasi red eh.
Oo. Bagay.
We're finally home. Time to eat. Ang bagay nga yung suot ko sa seats ko. The Mr. and Mrs. Adidas. We love Adidas. Let's go! So I'm currently cooking our breakfast. Ako, ready na yung breakfast ko. It's obviously omelette and mushrooms. Actually, 12:30 na ngayon pa lang kami breakfast. Anyway, okay lang yun. Tapos si Mike, ito kanyang breakfast. Ayan. Yung breakfast niya is breakfast burger. Ano siya? Egg. Ay! Mali. Ano ba? Egg and bacon burger. Yun yung breakfast niya. Kasi gagamitin ko tong burger buns dahil nga sobra-sobra. Kaya, ayun. Ay! Ba yan?
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page? Tonight, can we stay? And why don't you talk to me, talk to me? Let's
Babe, look at my
Ay, ang ganda nga.
kulang na, medyo kumulang lang dito sa isa.
Gulo.
Apat-apat yan.
me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking.
Ready to eat my plate versus his plate.
Minimalistic ako sa breakfast. May
Well,
coffee, may coffee.
yung coffee daw. Yung akin, naman yung ginawa niya. Walang
Meron yan, binuhos ko na
Lana.
lang. Actually, meron siya.
yung kanya. Oh, ang ganda nung art. Latte art. Tara.
Hindi ko pa kayang wiggle-wiggle eh. Hindi ko mag-gets yung ganun.
May sugar na to?
Para lang natin, siya yung founder ng Team Pizza. Kailangan i-reiterate yun.
Grabe.
Oh,
Ang lungkot ng plato mo.
magkano ba sa ano kung kakainin mo ito sa
Yung plato ko naman. Ang lungkot ng plato mo. Hindi enough sa akin yan. That's not breakfast. That's an appetizer. 4:30 na, hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Ngayon pa lang ako magluluto. Kasi late na rin kami nag-breakfast. Anyway, yesterday sa grocery, we've decided na mag-burger kami today. And I got all the ingredients. Oh, yes, hindi pa ako naliligo. Mamaya pa ako maliligo. Huwag kayo judgmental kasi ayokong maligo, tapos magluluto, tapos mangangamoy food lang ako. So, ayoko na gano'n. Favorite burger namin ay from Grilled. So, since nabibili naman yung meat, yung patty nila sa supermarket, I've decided to build my own. Build my own. May favorite burger na ako dun, so gagayahin ko lang. Pero hindi ako bumili ng avocado, kasi usually may avocado yun. Pero ayoko dahil, wala lang. Favorite burger ko sa Grilled is Summer Sunset. Masarap siya dahil meron siyang pineapple. Si Mike, iba yung binibili. So ngayon, gagawa ako ng summer sunset, homemade summer sunset. So yung chips ko, instead of yung binibili naming frozen chips, para makatipid ako sa calories, gagamitin ko yung potatoes. So ito, kinat ko na to, tapos binabad ko na siya sa cold water kanina. So pinapatuyo ko lang ng konti, tapos i-air fry ko yan. So this will be my chips. Ang gagamitin ko for Mike is itong frozen chips na.
My love language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need you present instead of giving me presents. You're not getting off that easily. Oh, we get back on the same page. Tonight we can stay. And why don't you talk to me, talk to me? Let's start a conversation.
Oh my God.
My love language. Talk to me, talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Love language. Love language. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Love language. Love language. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Won't you let me in? So
It's time to build our burger.
get back on the same page. Well, tonight I wanna stay. And why don't you just talk to me?
Onion na.
Cause when you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me.
Oh my gosh! This looks so good. Shallots. Ito natin cover. Cover. Kita natin siya. Laki. What can you say?
Legit, babe. Parang commercial na ano ah. Hindi parang homemade.
Look it.
Dapat pinost mo na yun, babe.
Oh my gosh. Yun. Natusta na. Oops. That's mine. So, iba yung chips mo, yung sa'yo yung masarap.
Ba't ano yung sa'yo?
Patatas lang yung akin.
Patatas? Ah, wait, ano?
Next time, ito-toast ko muna yung bread bago ko i-assemble. Hindi ko na naisip eh. This is Mike's burger. Yan. This is mine. Baka may chips. This is our very, very late lunch. 5:30.
Look at that.
Me too! Cheers! Ay, nandun na nakatago. Anyway, I'm gonna cut it in half. Oh my gosh. Woo! Let's try it.
Ang tatid to.
Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me, talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. My love language is your love and affection.
Kumakuha ng pineapple.
Sarap na may pineapple, no?
Kaya yung patty? Wala. $7 dalawa.
Hindi masama, diba?
Oo. Bibili mo to sa labas. Ganito, 17.
Yum. Sarap.
Solid.
Solid.
So, comfort food.
Medyo nasunog ko lang ang ilalim. Pero hindi ko naisip na i-toast mo na siya bago i-assemble. But, lesson learned. Joke's on you! Sabi namin, hindi kami magdi-dinner. Pero, nagdi-dinner pa din.
After 3 hours.
3 hours.
ginutom din
Kumain
kami.
tayo 5 ng lunch, tapos 8:44 na. Nung mga bandang 8 p.m. pa lang, sabi ko sa kanya, mukhang magdi-dinner pa ako kasi medyo nagugutom ako.
Ito may food ko.
Yung dinner niya,
Kaya
salpikaw.
ginawang beef tapa kasi nilalagyan ko ng suka, tas egg, para tapos
Yan, meron siyang sunny side up na egg. Tapos may suka with salt and pepper. Ako yung meal prep ko last week na barbecue chicken bowl. Andiyan na may gulay. Gawa sa, yung sauce niya is barbecue sauce. Siyempre kanin. Grabe. Magsiba na. Kasi tumakbo kami.
12K.
Valid ang aming gutom. Okay? Parang hindi heavy yung nilunch namin. Nagutom na agad kami after 3 hours. Tapos yung level ng gutom niya, kasi gutom ka.
Ay, naghihilap na yung isang pinipilit ko na nga ito.
Nauna niya pa siya nag-ayaya.
Mas madami naman yung breakfast mo kasi.
Anyway, yun lang. That's our
Every night under the light. And
Saturday. Thank you for watching. Until the next vlog.
tired of
Ang mag-asawang
late, I can overstate the
PG.
settling down with the one you love. Sometimes I love